Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we introduced how car designers turn ideas into reality. Today, we're diving into the world of automobile testing experiments, where we'll explore how vehicles are put through rigorous tests to ensure their safety. One crucial test is the Fireproof Performance Test, which evaluates a vehicle's safety and response capabilities in the event of a fire. This test measures the burning speed of the vehicle, the emissions of combustion products, and the fire resistance of the vehicle structure. By conducting these tests, we can ensure that vehicles provide optimal protection in the event of a fire, reducing the risk of injury to passengers and minimizing fire damage to the vehicle structure and electrical systems. Another important test is the weighting test, which evaluates a vehicle's performance and safety when driving in water. This test assesses the vehicle's stability, buoyancy, drivability, and electrical system reliability in deep water driving scenarios. By conducting these tests, we can determine the ultimate depth a vehicle can travel in water and identify any challenges it may encounter while submerged. Lastly, we have the wind resistance test, which evaluates the air resistance experienced by a vehicle while driving to optimize its aerodynamic performance. By simulating different wind speeds and directions in a wind tunnel, we can measure the vehicle's drag coefficient and use this data to improve its shape design, reduce air resistance, and enhance fuel economy and driving stability. Here at Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, we have built multiple large-scale, comprehensive testing laboratories, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities to conduct a wide range of vehicle testing. From basic vehicle performance and safety to environmental protection and comfort, we have the capabilities to ensure that our vehicles meet the highest standards of quality and safety. Thanks for joining us on this journey through automobile tests. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of automotive design and engineering. See you next time.